I found something in the item specifics that might help your sales. Hey guys, Ken here. Welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I want to share with you something that I stumbled across completely by accident, that I found something in the item specifics area that could help your sales. Okay, I've been doing this and I've seen some action going on with my sales, and I wanted to share it with all of you guys so that hopefully it'll help you. Okay, I didn't even know you could do this. And like I said, I stumbled on it purely by accident. I'm going to take you on the computer right now and I'm going to show you what that is. Okay guys, here we are inside my computer and I'm on the page with all my recommended item specifics. Now I don't have any of the ones that are required, because when I set this up originally I had all the blue fields, all the blue circle fields filled in. Everything was filled into the max. But when eBay made these changes in the categories, it gave me a ton of item specifics that were recommended. And what I've been doing lately is going through those. I usually spend about 3 to 4 hours every morning now going through all my recommended item specifics to try to boost sales. Because we're all trying to do that. We're all trying to figure out how to boost sales in Q4. And I stumbled across this the other day, and I just wanted to share it with you. Okay, so here we are on this page, and I picked out a card previous so I could show you exactly what I mean. This is a card right here. Looks like Hialeah Park entrance, Miami, Florida. So all I'm going to do is click on this where it says Add Recommended. Okay. Now, normally when I do these, I start out at the top where it says Accept All. So that helps fill in some fields. But as you can see, the blue circle isn't all the way filled in. So this is Miami. Region usually means the state. I'm going to type in Florida, or start to type it in, and then it'll populate. So I'm going to change this here. And I'm going to go with, I usually go with cities and towns as a generic default for that. Now, subject, grandstand. Okay, this is a grandstand. So that's what I'm going to put in there. Grandstand. Now, this is confusing, okay? They've got linen postcard under type. A linen postcard, a linen is not a type of postcard. It's an error. And this is what I'm going to get to, when I get down here. I don't know why eBay put that there, but I'm going to change that to printed lithograph, because that's what it is. It's not an RPPC, so it's a printed card. It's also called a lithograph. So that's the type of card that is. Okay, this is what I wanted to discuss with you. This is something that I stumbled on completely by accident because I didn't know I could change this. And I figured by changing it, it would help my postcards make more sales, when people are searching. And I'll tell you the reason why. What eBay has done is they've changed the categories, but they also changed these eras, the names. And if you look here, you've got post-war, World War II, pre-war. Those are the ones I used before because I didn't know any better. I thought, I had to use these defaults, these new defaults. But they've got pre-war, World War I, interwar, whatever that is. I guess it's in between wars. World War II, and post-war. Now, to be honest with you, in my opinion, when collectors are looking for certain postcards, if they're typing in by error, if they're doing the searches by error, they don't type in pre-war. They might type in World War I, interwar. They would never type that in. World War II possibly, and maybe post-war. But in my experience and what I've learned, postcard collectors type in things like chrome, divided back, undivided back, linen, RPPC. Those are errors. Those are errors that most postcard, sellers know, and that most postcard collectors know. Those are the search terms they use. Now, sometimes when I have a chance and I have room, I'll put it in the title, because if people are searching on Google, then you want to have that in the title. So for this card, it's a linen, and I put linen in the title. See, I said vintage linen postcard. So when they type in linen, hopefully my my postcard will come up in their search. But I didn't know I could change these. I thought these were the new defaults that eBay came up with. And I don't know who thought these up, but like I said, in my opinion, I don't think that postcard sellers and collectors are going to be typing these under. So since this is a linen card, what you can do is says search or enter your own. So I'm just going to enter my own. I'm going to type in linen right there. And it says add custom value. And right there. And I'm going to click on don't remind me about these recommendations again. And sometimes you can even go down here under features and type in linen as well. And then just add that. There you go. Okay, whoops. Let me reconnect that. Okay, but that's what I'm trying to share with you, is because those are the types of search terms that collectors look for, not interwar. I mean, I was assigning this part to interwar because that's the years that a linen was made, and they called it interwar. And I'm like, they're not going to be searching for that. So when I found out this, now I realize it takes a little extra time to type it in, but if it helps you in sales, because people are tying, you know, collectors are looking for linens, not interwars, then I think it's worth it. So I'm just going to save that. And let's do another one real quick here. That one's going to disappear. Let me see what this one does. Add recommendations. Okay, here we go again. Accept all. This is a Chrome. I have the word Chrome in the title. And this is a famous donut tree in Freiburg, Maine. Okay, so right here we want to type in Freiburg. You want to always make sure that you get the spellings correct when you do this. Freiburg, see, it has California, Florida, and Michigan. Doesn't even have Maine. I'm going to have to type in Maine. Okay, I'm going to do cities and towns again. That's usually my default for that. It says boats and ships. Ships and fish. Nope. This is a tree. Donut tree. So I'm going to type in famous. I spell donut. D-O-U-G-H-N-U-T. Tree. That way anybody looking for this famous donut tree will type that in search, and hopefully it'll come up. And original, unposted. Yeah, it is unposted because usually when it's posted, I usually put the the date. If it's like postmark 1958, then I'll put that in there. And now I did change this one already. I've already changed that to Chrome. So that one's good to go. Let me hit save. Let me do another one, see if I can find another one here. Let's do this one here. I'm just picking these at random. Okay, here we go. Accept all. This is a white border. See, I've got white border in the title. Cape Cod, Mass. So this is Cape Cod. And I start to type in Mass here. And that'll populate. Theme. I'm going to select cities and towns. Subject, what is it? It's imaginary Cape Cod. It's a boat. Oh, I see. It's a women. It's like a painting. Let me click on this just to check it. Okay, it's some kind of an artist painting. It is posted. Okay, let me get out of that. And I'm just going to type in, what am I going to type in here? I'm going to type in painting. Or not painting. Artist rendering. I don't know. That's not how you spell that. Right click on that, rendering. This is some kind of an artist drawing type. I'm going to type in printed. Oh yeah, here we go again. Nothing in error. Now this is a white border, so instead of using one of these defaults, and it's not clicking, oh, I'm going to type in white border. Oops, not border. border. There we go. Fat fingers. And I'm just going to click on don't show me this again and save that. Let's do one more. But like I said, I came across this completely by accident. Here we go. Accept all. This is bird's eye view. This is a linen card. City view. Where is it? It's in Lead, South Dakota, it looks like. Let me click on the card just to verify that. View of Lead or Lead, South Dakota. Okay. And it is not posted. I always check that while I'm on that page. So we're going to type in the word lead, lead. Not sure how it's pronounced. And we're going to type in South Dakota. South Dakota. And then we're going to go to, what is it? Bird's eye view, buildings, mountains. Okay. I'm going to type in cityscape. Well, if it's in the mountains, though. I'm going to type in aerial view. That's a term that sometimes people use for searching. And it's unposted. There's no date there. Again, here we go. Nothing here. So this is a linen. So I'm just going to type in linen instead of eBay's defaults and accept that. And I'm going to go down here, type in linen. Okay. But that's what I wanted to share with you guys. So instead of accepting the defaults, the new defaults that eBay has, if you want to take the time, if you know what kind of a card it is, whether it's a chrome, a linen, a white border, a divided back, undivided back, RPPC, you can type that in that field, and hopefully that will help buyers when they're searching for your cards. If they're searching by the type of card it is, then that will come up in their search results and hopefully make you some more sales. Okay, so I just wanted to share that with you. Hope you got something out of this video. If you did, smash that like button. It helps the channel. I appreciate it. Welcome to all my new subscribers. The channel is just growing like crazy. I appreciate you guys so much. And I gotta go, but you guys have a great day, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care. Bye for now.